Hi, so this is your World Geography instructional video for October 16th all the way through the 23rd. This project is due on the 23rd. This is a heritage project and this is a test grade. So I want you to pick one country in Europe from which you have some ancestry, and we're going to present this project with Google Slides. So after you select the country that you have some ancestry from, you are going to do a little research on the country of your choice. And I have made a list of what I want you to find out, okay? So you're going to use Google Slides. So just a reminder for Google Slides, you can go to your Gmail and you can select Slides. It's in the little, let me just go back for a second so I can show you again where it is. It's in the little grid here. You can see Slides. You can select a new template and you're going to pick whatever, color you want for your theme. I'm going to pick this one. And you're going to put on here, Heritage Project. And I'm going to pick Ireland. I have Scotch-Irish heritage, and I've always loved Ireland. And I'm just going to give you like a few samples of what I'm looking for. So in this slide, I could include a picture if I wanted to of Ireland. I think this one's pretty. Okay, so you're going to then select a new slide and you're going to go back to the list, which will be of course posted on Sycamore, and figure out what exactly are you supposed to find out, and then put the information on there. So capital. Now Ireland is interesting because Ireland's divided into Northern Ireland and Ireland, but I'm just going to look up Ireland. So Ireland, you can find a lot of information here on Wikipedia. The capital of Ireland is Belfast, which is also the largest city. I was just trying to find the spot where it specifically says that it's the capital, although of course I know that it's the capital because I've studied Ireland before. I'm going to see if I can locate it a little bit faster. Okay, right. Its capital is Belfast. So what I knew that. I just wanted to confirm. So capital Belfast, and then you can put like a fun fact about the capital city if you want to, or if you want to, you can look up pictures and just put them on here. Definitely probably will have to resize. You can get multiple pictures, that's always fun. And put that on there, just so we know what Belfast looks like. Okay, and then I would say new slide, and then I would go back over here and I would say I need to find out the official language, and then I could use Wikipedia, or you could type in Ireland's official language, which of course is English, although they do have a more traditional Irish that's spoken there. But the main language, the official language, the one that they would do business in and politics would be English, because that's the 99% of the population speaks that. Okay, so that's just an idea of what I want you to do. You might also, since Ireland has multiple languages, include the other languages that are spoken there. But English is the main language. Okay, so you have to find the capital, the official language, type of government, what kind of education system do they use? Like, for example, do they use public school system? Is education free? Find out something about their education system. Then I want you to find out 3 notable people from the country with one sentence explaining why the people are famous. So in Ireland, William Butler Yeats is a very famous Irishman. He's famous because he was a poet and he was also a political activist. So that's an example of a sentence explaining why William Butler Yeats is famous. Try to include pictures of these people. Because it's interesting to see what they look like. Okay, the 3 customs that are unique to your country of choice. An example of traditional clothing. What's the climate like? And then I want you to write 1 paragraph explaining what you would like to see and why you would like to see those sites if you ever visited the country. 3 food items that are unique to the country. This can be either a beverage or it can be a signature dish. Just one of those. 3 inventions that came from the country. What's their national anthem? What type of currency do they use? What are 3 unique plants and animals? What's their national flower? What is, I see I have that on there twice by mistake. What is 2 famous works of art? What are 2 famous works of art that come from the country? What are 2 famous works of literature? What are 2 unique laws that the country possesses? And that's always fun to research because some countries have some really strange laws. What's the national flag look like? And then finally, what are some insights that you gained about the country? So what I'm really looking for there is what helped you understand the country a little bit better. Like, for instance, I have studied Ireland extensively, and insights that I've gained about the country is that they're very influenced by their traditions, particularly folklore. That was very important to them, and it shaped a lot of their culture. So that's an insight that I've gained about Ireland. But you'll probably find something else out. It just depends on what you are, which country you're studying. So this is, you have all week to do this. Again, it's due on the 23rd. So please feel free to reach out and ask me if you have any questions, and I'll be glad to help you. And this is a test grade, so take your time and make sure that you include pictures and that you have fun doing this project. Thank you. Bye.